I started a new faceless YouTube channel this year, and it earned over $100 in US currency in its first 90 days. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through strategy I used and how much work it took to get this channel going to this point. My name's Alex. I'm a digital marketer and content creator with Lover Fighter Writer. I'd really appreciate it if you like the video and subscribe to the channel. And this is going to be mostly a breakdown of the strategy that I used and how I executed it, and about how much time and effort it took to get the channel to the point that it's at now. If you'd like to see a more detailed breakdown of analytics or like a full case study, let me know in the comments, because that'll take a little bit more time, but I'm definitely willing to create it if people want to see it. And this is the dashboard of my faceless YouTube channel. It's called AI Copywriting Tools. I'll link to it in the description in case you want to go subscribe. And when everyone started talking about how easy it is to make faceless YouTube channels now with generative AI and advanced video editing and everything, I could certainly see what they were saying. But in most niches, it seemed like it would still be very difficult to succeed. And I know that there are lots of like what people call AI slop channels, where it's just like a documentary or something that's completely AI generated. And I don't really understand why those are successful. But even though those might be low effort, I don't think that it's necessarily easy to replicate. I think you have to do something right in order to grow a big channel like that. And I don't think that it's easy, even with all the modern tools that we have, to grow a really big channel that's going to make a lot of money in ad revenue. I think that would take a lot of work, and you would also have to kind of get a little bit lucky. And I don't really know how to do that. I did try creating a completely different type of channel. It was a combat sports and martial arts news type channel, and some of the videos did okay, and I was having fun with it, but it looked like I would have to publish at least 3 to 5 videos a week in order to potentially get the channel partnered in the YouTube partner program in the first year. And I just didn't have the time to make all those videos. But with all the buzz around the whole faceless YouTube channel thing, I started thinking that my main channel, Lover Fighter Writer, is mostly faceless. Like, I use my own voice. This is my real voice. But I could use a clone of my voice or a different voice. And I do show my face in some videos, but I usually don't, just because it makes it more difficult to record the videos, and then it makes the video file much larger. It takes a lot longer to upload. And so there's just no point, in my view, of including a little bubble of myself on camera when all that really does is slow down the entire process, and it also makes it so that you can't see the full screen. And so I thought maybe I'd just create a second channel in the same niche as my main channel, except with more of a focus on the AI tools specifically. And I already owned the domain for AI copywriting tools, so I just decided to go with that. And you can see I've only got 22 subscribers here so far, and I've got vidIQ installed, so got 40 hours of watch time so far, 2 views in the last hour, and 83 views in the last 2 days. Now, in most niches, most types of YouTube channels wouldn't be making money at this point, because it's nowhere near to getting ad revenue or brand sponsorships or anything like that. But this channel is primarily designed to promote affiliate products that I was already an affiliate for. So the same products that I promote on this channel, like I've been promoting 11 Labs and VoiceWave and ArtSpace a lot recently, these are all applications that I pay for and use myself, and that I also promote as an affiliate. And one of the quickest ways to start making money with content marketing in general, but especially on YouTube, is via affiliate marketing. And so it just made the most sense to make a channel like this. And at first, I actually reused clips from my old videos as the screen recordings for these videos. And then I edited them all together in Premiere Pro and added the AI voice over the top. And I still do that a little bit, but now I mostly just record a video normally and talking, and then I take the transcript of myself talking and I have it edited to sound like a UK-born speaker, because that's the voice that I have on this channel, which I'll show you in a second. And then I generate the audio for that, and I cut it all together, and it works very, very easily. But now I'm getting more efficient at it, and they're starting to succeed more. So for example, my most recent video is apparently my most successful for the amount of time. It was posted just over 2 days ago, and it's got more views than anything else so far. 7.5% click-through rate is really excellent. And the view duration is not great, but it's not a very long video, so it's not a huge deal. And I'm focusing exclusively on long-form videos for now, but a lot of them are not very long. In fact, most of them aren't very long. A lot of them are under 10 minutes. But by long-form videos, I just mean I'm not publishing any shorts. I'm not using shorts. I'm not doing lives. Just long-form videos. And you can see I've posted 17 videos so far. I've been doing one a week since January 7th. And because I decided to make this channel in a similar niche to my main channel, I wanted to see if I could grow it the same way that I initially grew my channel, instead of using other means to try and make it grow faster. So at first, I didn't promote this channel to my email list at all. I didn't post it on my website. I didn't link to it from anywhere. I just uploaded the content and I posted it on Facebook and Twitter, but I don't think it got any traffic from that. I was just doing it for the social signals. And the way that I initially grew this channel, Lover Fighter Writer, is by creating long-form tutorials that got mostly SEO traffic. Traffic from YouTube search, traffic from Google search, traffic from other search engines. And I wanted to see if I could do that again and grow the channel with the initial traffic that way. And I decided that once this channel earned its first commission of any amount, that I would then start promoting it with my email list, at least a little bit, and also work on getting some backlinks to it, things like that. But I wanted to see if I could do it just with the content and start getting SEO traffic. And you can see that in the earlier videos, some of them did much better than others. And this designer review and tutorial and art space review and tutorial are two of the most successful videos on the channel. And they're also two products that I make a decent amount of money in affiliate commissions from, which is why I started with videos about them. And so if I go to the analytics for one of these videos and go to reach, you can see, first of all, this has an excellent click-through rate, 9.5%, and a solid average view duration as well. That's like almost 50% on average per viewer. And back under reach, if I scroll down and look at how viewers find this video, 78% of the traffic comes from YouTube search, and another 4% is external, which is mostly search engines. And so if I come down here, at least 60% of the external traffic came from search engines, although it's not very much, but most of it came from YouTube search, which is what I really want. And it's doing well with all of these keywords. You can see most people are watching close to half or more, and the YouTube search click-through rate is actually 11.5%, so it's even higher than the average click-through rate. And this is the product that this channel earned its first commission for. I think it was around the 2.5 month point, and it earned a like $12 commission for the designer lifetime deal. And then shortly after that, it earned a like $74-ish art space commission from somebody who must have bought one of the more expensive lifetime deals for art space. And I get a higher commission rate on art space because I've been their affiliate for a long time, since before art space even existed. And if we look at the last 90 days in analytics, I think right about here around April 8th, where you see this initial, the biggest spike that I initially had with 29 views, and it was also the biggest watch time spike with a whole 1.5 hours of watch time in a day. And I believe that was right around when I first promoted one of my videos on one of this channel's videos to my email list. And it didn't get a huge boost from that, but it gave it a little bit. And you can see I also got a few subscribers there, thanks to my email list original subscribers. But you can also see this, I guess this is just from yesterday, from April 30th. This is by far the most views I've ever had in one day, and also the most, no, not the most watch time. The watch time actually came down on April 30th. So that's interesting, but that wasn't from me promoting it. I guess it just got a push in the algorithm or something. So basically that means that this channel is no longer sandboxed. it's or at least it's working its way out of the sandbox. So YouTube is starting to respect it a little bit and give it a little bit more impressions. And as long as I keep getting like really high click-through rates like this and decent average view duration, it should continue to give my channel more and more impressions as I consistently upload content. Because remember, I've only uploaded 17 videos in the past like 4 months at this point. And if you'd like some help creating a YouTube channel where you would either promote your own products or services, or you would promote affiliate products like this, and I'm going to put a link in the description to a landing page where you can sign up for my email list and you'll get access to my new and improved list of AI prompts. There are AI prompts for all different types of content creation in it, and you'll get it for free just for signing up for my email list. And I'm putting together a small group coaching program right now that will primarily focus on content marketing and monetization through your own products and services and affiliate products. And it doesn't necessarily have to be YouTube, but I do think that video is probably the easiest, the quickest way to start making money right now, because it's just generally easier to get a lot of eyeballs on video content, or at least enough in this case. Because like this channel, for example, it doesn't need to get a lot of views in order to generate sales. And this is my affiliate dashboard for the ArtSpace affiliate program. And you can see I've got some special sub IDs for the links that I use to promote this product on the AI Copywriting Tools channel. And they've only got about 20 clicks between them, but one of them generated a lead, and that lead purchased a rather expensive product. And since I'm Canadian, this commission alone is technically over $100 for me, because that's US dollars and Canada's money isn't worth as much. But between this and the designer commission, which I said $12, but it's technically $13.50, I think I just cracked $100 between the two of them. And I generate all the audio for AI Copywriting Tools with VoiceWave because I have the VoiceWave lifetime deal. I'll try to remember to put the affiliate link for VoiceWave in the description in case you want to get the VoiceWave lifetime deal. And I just called the voice that I use Englishman, so we'll generate a little bit of text.
How this faceless YouTube channel earned $100 in its first 90 days.
There you go, that's the voice. And I did a video not that long ago where I initially mentioned that I had created the AI Copywriting Tools channel. And up until then, I was basically keeping it a secret. Like, I didn't promote it on anything where anyone who follows me would actually find it. And I think that'll do it for this video. Again, let me know if you have any questions, or if you want a more in-depth case study or a breakdown of exactly how I did anything. If there's enough interest in any topic, I'll definitely make a video about it. But also remember, you can use the link in the description to sign up for my email list, and then reply to any of my emails and let me know if you'd like to work with me to help start or grow a channel that can make money in its first 3 months. Take care, and I'll talk to you again soon in another video.